your boy Lil Vibe TV, and I'm back again with another video, man. Hey, this is crazy. I know y'all like, bro, then you just had that same shirt on for 2 vlogs, 3 vlogs, bro. Listen, I promise to God, dude, I've been grinding, big, like I've been dropping videos. I've been grinding. And if you a trucker, bro, you can't really take showers every day, you feel me? You feel me? So I got on this same shirt because I couldn't take a shower yesterday. I can't take a shower right now because I'm on the road on working, you feel me? So right now, this is the same day as the last video, but this gonna be Thursday video, you feel me? And today I told y'all we was gonna be cleaning up, so we gotta clean up. Everybody clean up at the gate. And if you ain't cleaning your ass up, boy, y'all ain't nasty here, boy. God, gang, let's do it, man. We finna clean up, bro, you feel me? Finna throw these Gatorades out, and we gonna clean up. But right now we on the way to get this load, so when we get to this load, I'm gonna record when I get there. And then right now I'm finna just watch some more YouTube videos. And I'm finna look up how to get rich out the gate. Hey, we finna get rich, man. No doubt. Gang, let's do it. As promised, showing y'all this snow. Told y'all it was snowing down here. It's way bigger than certain parts. Like, it was way bigger just back there. But I couldn't really pull out my phone because I don't know how the roads really is right now. Like, I don't know if they just, you feel me? I could come up on a slip and I want to, you feel me, have control of the wheel, you know what I'm saying? But as you can see right there, it's pretty thick on the side of the road. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, man. I ain't seen snow in so long. Real thick down here, though. If I come up on a thicker part, I'll show y'all, you feel me? But yeah, I'll just show y'all. Yeah, we made it, bro. And we pulling in now, you feel me? There's so much snow down here. Too much snow down here. Y'all probably can see it. A big pile right there. Y'all see a big pile? Take them all over here to their location. Dropped that one video where I was showing y'all how to bag up. So, just trying to y'all see the motion that I was moving in and shit. So first thing I do when I bag up, you feel me? I come all the way up, make sure I got no room, you feel me? Then you want to cut the wheel right to go left, you feel me? So I'm gonna cut the wheel right. Bring it back so you can go straight in that hole right there. If y'all can see, y'all can really see. Look like I'm gonna hit the trailer, so I'm gonna go up. Straighten it out just a little bit. Bring it back to the left. You wanna go slow, take your time. Ain't no speed, it ain't no race to it. Put the wheel, and the trailer drop all on up in there. Put it. Trailer touch. You wanna put the wheel hard. Game now. You play with the wheel now like you spinning the wheel. Like you slanging the wheel, you feel me? Like you slanging the wheel, slang the wheel, slang the wheel. Then we're gonna go up one more time just to get it all the way straight. Strained up, you feel me? Go all the way up. Yes, sir. We in that motherfucker at the gate. Ain't bad, you know what, bad now, nigga. How you gotta do it, you feel me? You can bag that bit up fast, slow, easy, however you wanna do it, cause you straight now, you feel me? But don't bag it up fast. Don't do that, you feel me? I just did that just. Now what you want to do is always get out the truck this way, you feel me? Never get out the truck going straight, because you can fall, hit your face, end up on the ground. It's too cold out there, bitch. No. That's crazy. That's crazy. You got deals out here and shit. Gonna try to hit one of them. Going right there. Haha. I ain't played with no snow in so long, bro. Y'all just seen that deal, boy. But let me show y'all what y'all gotta do, man. I'm getting out track. We supposed to be at work. So what you wanna do is bring these up. Get the legs all the way down. Those legs all the way down. Come over here and pull that. Walk these up. And go ask that nigga where the imp is at. Now all you gotta do is just pull your trailer up and you out.
Secure outdoor objects. The following is a flood watch.
Now what we gotta do is boom, boom. Send this in. Send the paperwork in. I usually take 2 pictures, you feel me? You only really gotta take one, but they got something to do with your pay, so you wanna make sure you feel me? Now what we finna do is clean up a little bit. But after I get everything on out the way. Information there. Damn, I forgot. You gonna ask me, do I got an empty? I'm gonna tell them, yo, I just submitted it without putting the empty in. I would just pull off. And there go the trailer with you. Go get us an empty now. You just text us and ask us. I already know that it's a new message that come. I already know he asked do we got an empty. Yeah, we got one, dude. I gotta go get it. Yeah, nigga fucked up. This would be a perfect weather for the dirt bike, bro. Having the dirt bike out here. Bam, bam, bam.
Message from Western Express. Do you have a trailer?
What I told her. I just probably ain't got nothing for real. I don't know, we got no Western Express trucks. That nigga driving all crazy and shit. He not the only one in the apartment like that. He don't even want to look over. No, he won't. Alright, not I hate when it looked down. I thought it went like sometimes the ball joint will go past the goddamn fifth wheel. Yeah, man. Now you just want to make sure all your tires straight on that bit. You feel me? Knock on them. You know what I'm saying? Check them out. Make sure you got an empty empty, yup. And you just want to check these tires. Yup, everything good. Make sure you got mud flap. They'll pull you over for that. That one tore up, but you got one. Lift this up. Now we pulling out. pack, the more you rush or anything like that, you gonna fuck up. You gonna do something wrong. You gonna mess up. So just take your time with everything and just make sure everything done right. You feel me? Even if you know you did it right, just make sure everything done right and just go back and double check it. It ain't nothing wrong when you feel me. Double checking yourself and make sure you got everything right and just taking your time. That's all you want to do with this junk is take your time. You don't never want to speed through nothing. I done had so many mistakes speeding, trying to get home and trying to speed, go. You feel me? You gotta slow down, you feel me? Just be patient. That's when anything in life, just be patient. It's gonna come to play whenever it needs to come to play. Just be patient. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, you feel me? And we're gonna clean up this truck, make up this bed real fast, and that might be the end of this video. The cleanup video, you feel me? Dropping off load, cleanup video. I hope that man don't make me turn all the way around, because I want to back there and got my own empty trailer. I want to feel you. We don't do that. Tell me. You should have told me when I was up here, you feel me? We just waiting on the load. So while we waiting on the load, I'm finna go to this Chevy, because I seen they had a little Chevy dealership up there. Go look at these cars. Go look at these cars, go give me something to eat. Get back with y'all when I pulled up to this shit. Got the truck parked right there in the middle of the road. Snow got me slipping and shit. God, these cars, man. Y'all don't want to see my red glass. Y'all know we really don't look at these type of cars. These for y'all people that just want to see other cars. But me, go ahead and see these trucks. I seen a few cars that I like in the front. Shit. Oh shit. God damn. Ooh, shit, boy. I'm so glad I ain't had a camera on me, boy. Oh, my mama, boy, I almost did it to myself, right boy. Here, hell, boy, on God, boy. Nigga almost just bust his ass out this bitch, boy. On my mama, I'm finna get the fuck. Boy, fuck these trucks, boy. I'm dragging my feet over this bitch. Oh. I don't need to drag them motherfuckers either. Hey, that truck right there kinda tough. They got a few little shits out there bit though. But I seen that Cadillac up there. Trying to walk over that bit, see that Cadillac real quick. They got ice right here. I do not want to step on no more of that shit, boy. Nigga, how much you busted ass, boy. That shit hurting my stomach, how I'm trying to kill myself. That shit started hurting my stomach. my mom, I just did a crazy ass save. But look though, they got these Cadillac. I think this somebody caught it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to like Cadillacs too. These one of the cars I get for real, for real. I don't know if this somebody's car. If not, I'm finna check it out though. It ain't got no tag on it. It is somebody's whoop. I can't tell. It got this panoramic in it. Got the Vic life in there. That ain't the Z06 though. Big black truck right here. That mother crazy. Big black truck. That ain't got the spinach out there. Vet motherfucker. How y'all feel about C8s? Red and black guts. Convertible top. Not convertible, but you know what I'm saying, T-top. Hey, this that motherfucker. Brand new Apple One. Brand new Apple One. That bitch, ooh, tough. Then they got that motherfucker. That motherfucker. I hate these fronts. And it been just a V6. This just a Stingray. Need to be a Z06. They got some cars, but they ain't got that shit. Up here at the car dealership, man, it cold as hell. It be crazy though, the truck. That be got an extra rim on the back. But I'm finna build, boy, it too cold out that hole. And I don't wanna talk to nobody about no goddamn, what you call it? Talking about buying no car. You gonna come to the channel to watch, I promise you that. Cadillac V. Cadillac V, that bitch gonna come to the channel. That bitch hold this gangster bitch. Like, I ain't gonna lie. But this might be the end of this video. Start up for the other video when we go pick up the other load. It's just cold right now. I need to quit running if I embarrass myself out this bitch. But I'm starting out the next video with a mukbang and going to pick up this next load. Finna end the video when I get in the truck. We in here like swimwear. But this is gonna be the end of this video, man. I love y'all. Your boy Lil Bias TV, man. I hope y'all liking this content. Boy, I finna start dropping daily now. Don't count me out, bro. Don't count me out, I'm telling you. Boy, I finna start dropping daily, man. I love y'all. Please talk to God about anything y'all going through, you feel me? Cause he the only person that's gonna be able to hear you out. Only person that's gonna be able to guide you the way that you wanna go. And just really be able to, you feel me, not judge you throughout whatever you talking to him about. Love y'all, man, you feel me? 5 to 6 months to a year to 2 years. Y'all need to be thinking about where y'all gonna be up there, you feel me? But working on what you need to work on now to get there, you feel me? I love y'all. Keep y'all heads up. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Gang.